Hello children, let's learn some colors name. Violet color, brown color, green color, red color, black color, pink color, sky blue color, yellow color, blue color, dark green color, orange color, purple color. Let's draw some 2D shapes. Black color, square, circle, triangle, star, heart, pentagon. Square, circle, triangle, star, heart, pentagon. Colors: red color, red color, square, orange color, orange color, circle, yellow color, yellow color, triangle, green color, green color, star, dark green color, dark green color, heart, blue color, blue color, pentagon, square, circle, triangle, star, heart, pentagon. Please like my video and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching my video. Thank you children. Bye bye.